Okay, so we have this question that is a let's check the information. We have a table and then we have for a provide a subsidy of $3 to the suppliers. Okay, and then the options they are talking about the price, they are talking about the total amount of the subsidy, they are talking about the benefits enjoyed by the consumers greater than suppliers. Okay, that means the share of the benefits. Then the total expenditure. Okay, so this one is TR. Okay, then just to follow normal steps, we try to find out the change of supply first. Okay, so we find sorry, not change the supply, find out the equilibrium, and then change the supply and find out the new equilibrium. Okay, so the old equilibrium, the P1 here. Okay, because the quantity demand and quantity supply are the same, then we found out the P1, the price is $8. Then we try to figure out the new supply. So we need to find a new supply. Then we have to think about, because the subsidy is $3, if I sell at free $8, that means the sellers can get actually $11 because 8 from the consumer and $3 from the government. So I can actually get 11. So actually, I will provide the numbers, the units when the price is $11. So I cannot get this. So I start with the smallest price first. Okay, try to get it. I sell at $5, I can get $8. Right? Very simple. So when I try to get $8, I will provide the unit of $8. So I will put this here. Okay, the new content supply is 110. Then just copy all the numbers directly. So 120, 130. So I do not have any numbers more. Okay, so now you will find that the new supply will be more. Then that is right. Okay, if you find that the number is smaller, then that will be wrong because subsidy should help the encourage the suppliers to provide more. Okay, so remember to check this because tax and subsidy will be just an opposite. Okay, so now when I have the new supply, content supply, and we can find the new equilibrium. Okay, let's check. The first one is about the 110, but the content demand is 170. So, not correct. Let's try another one. 120, 150. Not correct. 130, 130. Okay, that is the new equilibrium here. Okay, then we can find the P2 and Q2 and the subsidy is $3. Okay, we got all the basic information. Then let's check the answers. The first one is that the new equilibrium price is 5. Oh, I'm sorry. We know that it should be 7. Incorrect. It should be $7. Then the second one, total amount of the subsidy, okay, 390. So how do I find that? First of all, subsidy amount is $3 each, and then we try to times Q2. Okay, basically the quantity we sold. So that is 130. Okay, that is 390. So that is correct. So let's check the another. It said that the subsidy benefit enjoyed by the consumer is greater than the supplier. Okay, so let's check how much the consumer can get. Actually, consumer enjoy the change of the price, right? They can save some money. How much they save? They save $1. From $8 to $7, they save $1 only. So they save $1. But the total subsidy is $3. That means the supplier, they enjoy $2 benefit. Okay, so actually should be consumer is smaller rather than greater. Okay, so it's incorrect. And the last one is about the total expenditure. That means total revenue of the consumers. First of all, we use P1, not P1, but P2 times Q2. Okay, P2 is $7 and Q2 is 130. Okay, we find that $910. Okay, then we can find out this is TL2. Right? What is the original one? Original one is P1 times Q1. Okay, P1 is $X times 110. So 880. We find that TR actually more Okay, $30 more. So it's actually it increase, not decrease. Okay, it should be increase. So answer D is not correct. So that's how we found it. Remember, the very important basic skills is how to find out the new equilibrium, price, quantity, and the subsidy. And the other things, just remember the meaning of that and also the equation of finding that. Then you can handle this.